What time is it? Cheesesteak at 10 something in the clock at Woodfall bus station. This is crazy. Cheesesteak was fucking ass. I'm just kidding. Cheesesteak was decent. We're out here going to the land of the Logan Airport. Damn, she's not focusing. Yo.
Wait, can you take one from my phone after? Oh, yeah.
What? We made it. After long and rigorous, it's not focusing. After long and rigorous planning and changing of flights and canceling and whatnot, we finally made it to a flight that gets us to Dallas before we got to go to New Zealand. So yeah, I'll check in when we're in Dallas. These are the most boring vlogs because nothing happens. But yeah, we meet everyone in Dallas. A lot of people in Dallas. So yeah, we'll see you in Dallas. We're landed, and I'm hungry. And I'm in Dallas and I need food. Oop, the Subway's open. Turn me up. Shit. Be fresh, you feel me? We out here. This is a god-awful angle. But we leave to New Zealand in like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Yeah. This is a god-awful vlog. Horrible travel day. Never entertaining. But yeah. Shit, hey, eat fresh. This is what we dealing with. Kelsey and I got on the same seat. Watching Lego Pharrell Williams. It's like 12 something, I don't even know. We got scrambled eggs and yogurt and Beetlejuice for breakfast. We've made it. We touched down. Oh my god, bro, this camera does not focus. But we've made it, yeah. About to get in the car, be lit. Finally here, made it through customs and stuff. Yeah, we lit. Got me an energy drink. We're out here exploring stores and stuff. Yeah, it smells good in here.
You're all so different.
They're very diverse, but they're so cool and creative.
Here's the city skyline for you.
Oh, yeah. They have their own little needle. I think that's cool.
Yeah, the sky tower.
The Sky Tower. Ooh, it's exposuring high.
Wait, is it already going? I swear. Can't tell if the video's going. I think it is.
Decent. At least when we were with him, so I thought it'd be pretty funny to. Yeah, I was like, all right, see you later, Jan. And he was like, I was like, I'll send letters or I'll send like updates or something when we get in. He was like, yeah, please do.
Nice.
I said like we will all like send you stuff. He was like, yes.
It's terrible compared to the South Island. Like, it's beautiful.
Yeah, bro, chill out, man.
look like the fake cell towers that you see.
Oh, really? That's
It
hilarious.
makes no sense. You look at the tree and you're like, that's not real.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
The big Amy Winehouse fan? That is funny.
And then, of course, this song's on like every day on some station as well. But that's not too surprising.
Pit stop. Absolutely buzzing. Karma, what do you get? Karma, we're gonna need a mud bag.
I got this. It's like teriyaki. I don't know, fucking barbecue smoked salmon.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna need a
Doesn't it look
rating.
good?
We're gonna need a rating.
I'm so excited. What are the odds that we're going to be going swimming the next week?
Come on, Toad.
Yeah. Want to make sure you don't lose those.
We've made it. Look at that really small ship. What is going on? We're a long way from what's all in it.
What?
Alright, folks, so this is my beautiful bed. Give it a tour. Yes. I got some junk in there. I got all my clothes up here. I got some stuff in here.
Tell us about your first days on the ship.
We haven't even started yet. But so far it's cool. This is Kinga's and Thomas's. There's some more over there. You can turn around and you can see we have some over here. We won't go up yet, but we'll go up in a second. Here's our bathroom. There's 4 bathrooms aboard. They're very big, very spacious. What's over here? Alright. Just cleaning going on. Here's who's in here? Izzy, Karma,
Oh my god!
Izzy, Karma, and very
That's it.
spacious, very demure.
Oh!
We're gonna have a shower, no bathroom, no shower. Here's then another bathroom. To split up. I don't know who's in here. Not my room, so I'm not gonna invade it. Let's go over here. Here's the main. Here's the salon, right? This one. Salon and everything. Here's where we eat. We got cookies. Library. This is where all the magic happens. And I'm ready to go up. I don't know if people are using swim at the but
Then you get the other 2 groups. Got it. Yeah, I mean, so it'll be doing just what you said.
Okay, so split this, move this piece up, separate this.
That's
Yeah.
Captain Sean and First Mate. They're trying some stuff right here. I think there's a meeting going on. I don't know. Oh no, they're just talking. This is the quarter deck. This is where we steer the boat. Here's this beautiful compass. Yeah, we got some shade going on because again, UV ozone. There's no ozone layer down there. What else do we want to do? Look at these amazing sails. Take a look at that. We're gonna be able to go aloft. I'm probably not gonna take the camera up there, but I will film from down here. People going up, so that'll be fun. Lab. And then that's the wet lab in there with Heather. What is this called again?
Dingy?
Dinghy.
Sophie, give us your first impressions.
My first impressions, it's excellent.
Excellent. It's a good word. Okay, you take the camera. I need to go shower.
Up there, we can go somewhere cool. There's so many things going on. Oh yeah, I did. I took a picture. Here, I'm low-key gonna redo this. Oh, so if you go down here, you'll get to Angie's room. If you go down here, you'll get to my room.
Cool.
Alright,
Yeah,
guys.
this is recording.
Breakfast is good. Right here we have scrambled eggs. Here we had potatoes, and here we had ketchup, and here we had kiwis. 10 out of 10. People, troublemakers been hanging out here all day. Except you can't really see a good They're cute, you know. They got orange beaks and stuff. They're just low key. Bloody sky rats, yeah. Quick addition to the swag, we got our harnesses. Wearing these over deployed science equipment, like the J frame. This big old thing. And then when we climb these big old things, I think I wear it pretty well, but I'm biased. Yeah. Well, that's really silly, isn't it? Airport. Loses your bags, and I guess you get to go on a boat ride to the airport. Lucky duckies. Yeah, we chilling to the boat. Clean up. Shout out Sean. Shout out Pineapples.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Shout out America. Give him some privacy, man.
Have sex.
External.
Oh, my front camera's not focusing. Oh, you can see it. Ew, that's gross. Oh, you got one right there. That was sick. They're gooning. Fuck. Alright, are you rolling? We're moving.
Left longer, longer.
We don't have any sails up.
Nope, just
Yeah, so we're
Pure motor.
We're using
and gasoline.
gasoline.
It's kind of cheating. Yeah. We're also.
Oh, shit.
What is Maria doing?
Small
Maria
boat,
is
small boat.
Small boating.
There's
So
Maria.
let's see what she's doing. Push boat. Yeah, Maria's on the push boat. Oh, there she goes.
There she goes. Screw poop.
And then she has to go pick up the people on the dock.
Karma, how we feeling?
Yeah, that's true. Hey. Cheese. We are motoring out to an anchor spot outside of Hungary. Hey, swim call later though. We'll be able to swim a bit. Not a lot of science going on right now, but that's okay. Look at all this decent. I like Sydney. Oh, brother, man. Look at that house. Ooh, wait. Sign me up. Heh. That's an island. I don't know if you can see. That's pretty. But what's even prettier. Oh, look at all the scenes. Look at the scenes. I have never seen anything beautifuler in my life. Oh, I'm still recording. Holy aura. Hello, Sean.
Oh.
There's some guy in it. I see some crazy shit.
Amen, it's blurry.
Huh?
Why is it blurry?
Just hold, like, lightly hold it.
Okay.
And then it'll be red, like, hold the button.
It's like blinking red, right?
Yeah, it'll blink if it's recording.
Okay.
If it's blurry, just kind of hold the top button, don't press it.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm recording. Yes, but I don't really know what to say, so I'm just gonna kind of show everything.
Well, this can be a part of the vlog where like you put, I don't know.
There's a big boat in the distance. Our sails are up. I'm sunburned. We saw a watermelon in the water.
We saw a bird.
We saw a bird. No mammals yet. Did you see a dolphin earlier?
No, but there's a dolphin peanut on the cargo ship.
Oh,
That's what we
yeah, so there's a dolphin on the cargo ship. I think there's a fucked up sail at the bow, and they're trying to fix it. But I don't have to deal with that until tonight. Me and Maddie are on, what are we on? Yeah, we're on night watch, but we have a deck. We're on deck. We're not in the science lab, so we'll be doing a bunch of sailing. Yes, this is my coffee and my mug. It says it's a jungle out here.
It is, truly.
Cheers. When you're off watch, you get bored. So what me and Maddie are doing are climbing out, and we are gonna chill. I'm gonna knit. Got my hat, and I haven't finished yet. Here's the dolphin boat, although it hasn't. So yeah, now we're kind of just chilling, going out. Look at that big old island. Would you just look at this?
But then we're starting to shift still.
Oh.
But very little. But she's falling off.
Science is about to happen. The sails are up, but we're not moving. Reporting live from the Pacific Ocean. Somewhere off Whangarei. But we'll see what they do. You can't really see, but right now some insane scientific happenings are happening. They're deploying the Newston net, which will collect plankton and the chum bucket, and hopefully not the Krabby Patty formula. Data wizard. They just do it over. Now it's collecting everything. Everything. We're out in the middle. Piss off. Where'd the birdie go? Oh yeah, we got possibilities out here, even though obviously you can't see shit. But yeah, we deployed science, but the carousel is not transmitting data back right now, so we're at a standby, I guess. But I don't know. Last night sucked. It did suck, but sleeping was hard because all the waves it's like gunshots. So that was annoying. But at least this bird was entertaining.
Is it recording? Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Welcome to Eamon's
What day is
vlog.
it? Day 4?
Except Eamon's
Is
not.
it February 22nd? And
See, I don't know.
It's Saturday.
And it's the 22nd.
So
It's day 4.
Guys, there's Sydney.
oh hi.
There's Iron. Kinga. Sorry, there's Craig.
Oh yeah. That happened to be earlier.
In the
Alright.
There's
hey,
Amy.
So
Oh god.
we are going to Auckland right now. Somewhere over there.
So backlit right now.
What else can we talk about? We had watch today. Me and Maddie were in the lab.
What do we do?
You should talk about last night. It was kind of rough.
So I put this in my journal.
Story
But
last night.
last night we were doing normal evening watch things where normal sunset was cool, and then it got dark, and then it got windy. So the wind was like 20 something knots.
Yeah, 22.
22. That was fast. So we were
22?
bouncing.
There's Sean.
Oh, my bad, Sean. Oh,
We're vlogging.
we're in a video. We're describing our yesterday and today. So we were going fast. I almost just destroyed Captain out of this mutiny. Anyway, so yeah, it was really bouncy. It was dark. It was scary, and I couldn't fall asleep. So that was fun. But then today it was a different story. Today was fun. Me and Maddie were in the lab. We did a new stunt toe, so I took a video earlier. That's that long.
Oh, you did. You did get the
Yeah, I
beast.
did get a stunt toe the other day. And we found a bunch of salps, which are like these little gelatinous
Lots of salt.
things.
Parasite legs that they talk about.
Yeah, we learned what are they called?
I don't know, those big bug-eyed looking freaks.
So you can Google these big bug-eyed looking things, and it'll talk about how they're like parasitic and they get into the gelatinous and you can eat on them.
Alright.
Well, get the scenes over there.
Get this.
Get out of the live and direct view of the watch on the bowsprit. Do you see him on the bowsprit?
Oh, wait, you take it.
I
This
think
is a long
me
ass
stand up.
clip.
they're furling the jib right now. Yeah, this is
How do you zoom in on this thing?
This is like a whole video in itself.
There's the captain. Oh, this is a nice shot actually.
No, I might screenshot it.
I'm gonna go vertical one.
Adjusting. I'm just bad at adjusting the light, but it's fine. I want to shower. When you guys showering? You don't have to run down, Ira.
So it's been many days at sea. Rations are running low. Not much water left. Not much food left. Ange is starting to go a little crazy in the eyes. I'm worried Ange is gonna start biting people.
Iris got the camera.
There's things are getting rough out here. But thankfully we have Maddie to keep us safe. Maddie will keep Ange in line. Look at if that's not someone who can keep you safe. I don't know who can. Stay in line. Wow.
No eating.
The next video is gonna be a brawl between Maddie and Ange. Eamon, if you had to put money on Ange or Maddie, who are you putting money on?
In a thumb war?
Nah, in a brawl.
But in rock, paper, scissors,
Oh!
I might have to take Maddie.
Ready?
But out of a 5-7 game series, I think it's going to go to game 7.
I'm not
Maddie,
gonna
I'm
watch
taking
it.
Maddie.
Oh!
Oh, best of 3 wins. First 3 wins. 4 wins. 4 wins.
Oh, that's 2 for 2.
Wait, what? Oh, maybe.
Maddie's
Best
crushing
of
it.
4
I thought it was
wins.
a game
Best of 4.
7.
Yeah.
If
Oh, yeah.
you get 3, you get 3.
Yeah.
And then the tiebreaker is 7.
Whoa!
Sweep.
This is crazy.
How long is this video?
This
I'm
is
gonna upload this to my camera right now. 4 minutes? Oh, you have 5 seconds before 5 minutes. What should you say?
Mad.
Ira says goodbye from the Pacific Ocean.
Love to all the family. Love to all the people. Love to all the fans. I know I got people out there who are rooting for me. Thank you to all the haters.
Yes.
Listening. We're not listening. Yeah.
Yes.
Not what you've done.
But I'm just gonna upload this clip on YouTube, like right away. Like just this clip. Alright, but yeah, cheers to the Pacific Ocean.
Wait, who said that?
What's up, gang? Currently on lookout. This is what I'm looking at. But there's not much to outlook for, apart from that huge freight ship over yonder. There's hella birds, must be a bunch of fish over there. And I think there is a ship coming on our port side. Very small, it might come across. But yeah, this is being looked at. It's pretty tedious unless you're getting into like a channel or harbor where everyone is just boating. So, cheers, innit? Pulling up to Auckland right now. Ooh, focus. Hello. Yeah, there's the needle. There's some more skyscrapers. There's a buoy. And yeah, we're gonna go to Auckland Harbor up the way. There's some sick houses along here. I don't even see them. Hello. Got a lot of traffic. So, a lot of traffic. So, everyone's pretty locked in right now. But yeah, we gotta get off the boat. We gotta walk around. I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna call my girl. Look at this. Ew! Hello. Look at that cruise ship. We are going to be right in downtown, so I'll be taking some awesome videos. I'm not on the boat. How is that possible? Oh, I'm on land. We in Auckland. Stupid ass. Hey, so we finna go on a little tour. Not a tour, but we finna walk around a little bit. Apparently, these are the ends where Sophomore and Kenzie and who else? I don't even know who else is on that trip. They were all here. So this is pretty silly that we are like right where they were. But yeah, you know, Lawrence kids in Auckland, it just seems to be a trend. Yeah, you know, it's kind of silly. We'll get to it. Decent. Danny. Oh, I'm not getting a really good view of it, but we have the spot. Look. Oh yeah. Oh, well, let me change the filter on this shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, oh, nope, 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 nope. Ooh, hell no. Nope, 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 no. Well, this is the only filter you can get. But yeah, here we are in Akalan. Yeah, we're trying to figure out our next move. But look at this beautiful needle. I was thinking, why do humans love building big needles? There's one in Vegas. There's one in Seattle. There's one in Toronto. Like, what's the deal? Damn, this camera never focuses. Oh, brother. I don't know where we're going, but we have the morning off, so I'll show you the deets. In this big ass building, looking for coffee. Oh, too busy being a tourist. Okay, I don't know where. Freiburg Palace. This is a weird little spot of architecture that I thought was silly, so I wandered off, and now I'm looking at it. Look at that nonsense. Let's go say hi to this bird. Hey. Hey, man. Get out. City parks are so silly. Behind us? Around us? Oh, upside down. Oh, they're turning. Look at that guy. Look at that pigeon. He is feeling like he's on top. Oh my god, let me focus. You think I could take that cannon? Chat in the comments, let me know. I think I could take this cannon. So this is Aphrodite's fountain, I guess. Again, another pigeon thinking he has hella aura, which he does, rightfully so. But yeah, Auckland, University of Auckland's over there. We got pretty flowers. A puppy over there. Hello, puppy. And my hip hurts. Holy shit. Also, here's the needle. Might go up, it might not. Dun, dun,
jump around so
dun.
like it's just like someone
Dumpling spot. Pretty cool. Ooh, focus. Dumpling spot. Hello. Look at this. Does this twist on? No, this one doesn't fit. I don't think any of these are gonna fit. This is so funny. Look at where we're at. I am recording cameras with the camera. Look at all these lenses. This is insane. My camera is definitely not this cool. Try. Oosh. Decent building. Gorilla kitchen. Just went there thing at a bunch of spots. Obviously, I didn't buy anything. I just because like you never buy clothes when you go thrifting. Yeah, now we're going to the museum. The cricket pitch. Yeah. Alright, we just got out the museum. It's a huge museum, lots of collections of stuff. They showed us this really cool original sample plant from like the James Cook days back in the 1700s. So yeah, science has been happening for a minute. It's pretty cool. Yeah, now we're walking back. That shit sucks. Somehow we ended up in the middle of a forest. I don't know where Izzy's taking us. This is Biox. Ooh, cool playing stuff.
I just didn't think about it that much.
No, but it should work. Oh, it's alright though. It's decent.
Amy, we should get a picture of you pointing up to the oyster farm.
Oh yeah, we should. But first I'm gonna get a selfie with this beautiful flower. Except the sun is blinding it. Oh, it's a video. That's alright. We'll add it. The bridge is up. Walking down Auckland Harbor. Look at the side. That GTA ass yacht. That is crazy. Good photo.
Good
Good
photo.
photo.
Look how yummy that looks.
Good photo.
Should I get a knife or you want to just bite it?
I can't afford that shit.
This one doesn't have bars.
Dun, dun, dun. Dude, I hate how yes, that's an active volcano. Just gonna blow all over. Meteors raining down. That's gonna be cool. Yeah, I haven't vlogged all day or yesterday. We left last one. And now in the middle of nowhere, I've just slept all day. And now I don't know where we are. But yeah, we're somewhere. The camera's not adjusting like usual. But that's alright. Waves have been calm. Sleep has been great. Volcano has been in range. Fire is about to happen. Alright, cheers.
Oh, are you taking volcano pee?
You saw it? No, I didn't see it. I thought you were like, I thought you saw it. You're like, oh, that's cool. But no, I didn't see it. Maybe I expected to see more. Maybe I thought maybe I.
think Eric's lying.
Oh, it's just the sun turns. Okay, then yeah, I guess I saw it. I mean, I caught like a yellowish green, but I thought, I don't know. I didn't really know what I was looking at. Holy. So we are off coming around the east coast of the North Island. I haven't took videos in like 2 days. Been pretty locked in with stuff. But yeah, we're motor sailing right now. There's not a ton of wind, but I think this morning the watch might set some sails. So yeah, just got off of dawn watch from 1 to 7. That was tiring. but it was low-key fun. We saw some dolphins off the head rig up here, and they were like bioluminating, which is kind of sick. Just show you more scenes. But yeah, they were bioluminating. They're totally just surfing in our wake. It was pretty cool. Then the bioluminescence, phytoplankton stuff were glowing as they were zipping through the water. So they like had a cool little outline on them. I wish I got a video of that, but there should be a video of dolphins from someone else's camera that I have that I probably will put in the video. But yeah, man, we're out here. Wellington in like 10 days, I think. So yeah. Cheers. Here's the anchor. Oh. Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm data wizarding. I'm telling the fans what's happening. We got the carousel down, and now I'm just logging everything. Yeah, latitude, line, time, flower, all this nonsense. So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. We're in lab right now. You can't really see shit. There's Kinga on the driver's seat. And yeah, here's our to-do list today. We got a lot of shit to do. We got the chores, we got the hydrocast, Newston net, phytoplankton net, and a surface station. And then we're going to process them. And then yeah, and let me know in the comments, would you rather eat 100,000 copepods or put what is it? A larval spiny lobster in your eye. And yeah, cheers. I'm finna fill out this paperwork. Ooh, it's blurry. Alright, yeah, see you next time on just give it a cheeky little rinse.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're doing the whole service station? What are you doing right now? Nitrates?
Are you going?
Yes, except it's very unfocused. Yeah, so we're doing nitrates, put them in the freezer. We get get some water throughout the depth through our carousel that we just brought up. And now I have to watch this thing for 30 minutes, eat water. But I'll show you some cool zooplankton that we're going to catch. And maybe one or two cool things. And that albatross, there's like 2 albatross that keep circling around. Don't know where they are, really. It's quite a shit day. Oop. It's what day is it?
It's a good haul. You guys doing a freshwater rinse now?
Yeah. Caught a big ass jelly. Well, we can't count that because it's over 2 centimeters. Duh. Don't know what this is. We'll figure it out. This is a Portuguese man o' war, so I don't want to touch that. And yeah, now we're finishing our rinse. I can't go. Oh, they're all up front now. I missed it. There's like 11 of them up front, though.
Did you get in it?
No.
Just take a video.
I am.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Are they peeled off or no? Oh, decent, John.
Well, no. Like square? No. Get back there. But like move it on the tables and
Oh. I see.
yeah. Hey, find the next one.
I'm direct from the bow. It is hissing wind. We got rough seas in it. I forgot what these are called. We got our safety lines, cause coiling down. Me and Maddie, the best journalists of Robert C. Stevens history. This is definitely a process. They just filled the jib. It's painful and dumb. This is if we were square. Wait, no. Oh yeah, this is if we were. No, this is if we were square. So you can see how like. Oh jeez. Grab that sail, guys! Grab that sail! I'm like leaning backwards right now. Oh, yeah, so. You can see how wicked it is. They got it. Here's Wayne's World. This is where we keep a bunch of stupid, like, electrical supplies and stuff. They're all strapped in. They're good. Eric's getting out there. First mate Eric. Inspirational. First mate Eric taking the charge. What an inspiration. What an inspiration. Sails are full of piss. I would not want to strike any of those. I don't know what we'll be doing later. We have Dawn watch. Yeah, dude. We're like cute. I don't know how to like show how cute we are.
I know. We should like.
But like, if you're over here and I do a complete 180,
Yeah, show both sides.
this is what we should. So you can't see over here if I do a full 180. So yeah, we're like this. Like if you had to square us to the waves, like this. Pretty much, yeah, it's like this. So like I'm leaning like Michael Jackson. That's what the video you saw earlier. But they're getting it in. They got it. They got it. Holy. That's why we stay on the high side. High side folks. High side only. Alright, I'm Direct. This is Maddie and Haven. Journalism prodigies off of ANZ. Thank you for watching. We put a message in the bottle. All see why I signed it. And now we're going to show you the crazy nonsense that's happening outside. Maddie will check.
Oh, we gotta be fast.
I know, bro. I'll just record you from the doghouse.
What?
I can have one hand. I have one hand.
True. Alright, which way is high side?
Oh, the high side switch?
Hold on to
I just severely messed up. I cut it in the
You
video.
didn't even record our bottle throwing.
Hey, let me show you outside though. Ooh. Let me show you outside. Take away left. Big waves in it. Look at that, man. So inspirational. Dude, it was because I was trying to focus by like, you know how you slightly hold the top?
and then I like clicked
Yeah.
it. I've worn the same shirt for 4 days. But still having fun. I'm in the doghouse. This is where all the plotting and the navigation happens. Chart table, cheat sheets, all the lines. Class. This is our logbook. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. I'm so seasick right now. I'm cooked. First time it's happened. I don't know if you can see outside, but nah, you can't. But yeah, I mean it's like trying to live like this, bro. But don't get it twisted. I'm having fun. The Albios. Hello. Hello. There's so many. It is so calm, but it's gonna get nasty tonight. But at least it won't be like Wednesday. Wednesday was rough. Oh, hello, birdie. Look at him. The one singular birdie outside. Oh, shit. Wait. There's like 50 albatross outside. Dude, look at them all. This is insane. Dude, what? They're so big. Oh, great heavens. Hey. Oh, where's the... Oh, shit. A whole lot of nonsense going on at the Anchorage. How was it up there, Margaret? It was what? Bus. It was bus.
There's a lot. There's so much.
Nuts? Oh, nut blend. Is he slowly but surely making America? But surely making it America. Making it up the letter. Look at the go.
Remember what I said to you about don't stretch your arms quite so high.
Yes, don't stretch your arms, says Captain John America. Who's maneuvering? Sydney. Sydney on the boat. Ooh, focus, 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 focus. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's really lit. Yeah. Oh, Dr. Bronner's 18-1. I forgot to put it back.
I love Dr. Brown.
Dude, I love it. You can use it as a toothpaste, car oil, cooking oil. No, but you can use it as toothpaste. Oh, shoot. They're fixing the swim ladder over here. I just filmed 2 minutes of just nonsense, but I think that's like the best type. Well, let me show you your anchor. Do I want any nuts? No, no, thank you. I already had some. It's very tragic. There's our anchor. What would you give our anchor attention. Me neither. There's some houses out here too, which are pretty cool. Like this one.
B-roll.
I'm shooting B-roll. This one's sick too. And there's some more over here. Andrew's just geeking. Geeking and tweaking. So decentness. But yeah, so here's like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Bullshit. Maddie's skimming through pictures. Oh, there goes Soph. Dude, what is going on up there?
There we go. There we go.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's the money.
High saturation makes this camera look so weird. Everything is so colorful. Look, I'm like on high saturation. The rust just looks so rusty.
Why are you on high saturation?
I don't know, because it's funny. Oh, look at Kels.